Yeah.
I'm still a little confused. I know you said that your credit score was 670, right? And you're pulling that. Are you pulling that live, or is that something that you had a while
Yeah,
back?
I'm currently looking at it now.
Okay, so yeah, I pulled your credit score. You don't have a 670 credit score. You have a 559.
A 559 credit score and looking to buy a Mercedes. You can't make this stuff up. Welcome to the channel. If you could, please hit that like button. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Over the course of the next week, I'll be working hard to get out a new video every day, and they're only going to get better as we go. So for today, 2 clips. Let's jump into the first one.
Hey, what's going on, brother? This is Yusuf from Auto Cafe.
Hi, Yusuf.
How are you, man?
I'm good.
All right, so I'm just calling an update on that 2019 Mercedes C300 you put in credit app for.
Yeah.
I'm still a little confused. I know you said that your credit score was 670, right? And you're pulling that. Are you pulling that live, or is that something that you had a while
Yeah,
back?
I'm currently looking at it now.
Okay, so yeah, I pulled your credit score. You don't have a 670 credit score. You have a 559. So, and that's a discrepancy right now because I submitted you to Westlake, One Main, Exeter, and a couple other banks. They're all coming back 28.9%, 29.9%. And your payments right now, since you have limited credit, because this is the first time you ever financed a car, right?
Yeah.
Why is your credit so low, man? What's going on with? Have you missed any payments? Have you?
No, it doesn't show I've made any payment. Like, I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't show any missed payment.
Gotcha.
29.9% interest rate. Never financed a car before, has no idea why his credit score is so low. We are off to a really bad start. I couldn't imagine considering an interest rate that high. Why does someone with such a low credit score need a Mercedes?
Typically, when you look at a credit profile when you're financing a car, the issue is a lot of banks are going to want to see like comparable history. They want to see good on-time payments for a while, right? 2 years, 3 years. So listen, I know you want to get into a nice Mercedes. And right now, the Mercedes, if we get you into it, you're gonna have more than $1,000 down. If all you have is $1,000, I would get a cheaper car. So that you need $6,500 down to get into our 2019 Mercedes C300, and their interest rate right now is at 28.9 at $897 a month. So, and you live in the Bronx, right? You're in New York.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you live in the Bronx in New York, you already know that insurance is really expensive. So unfortunately, this would be a $1,200 a month car. I say we get you into a cheaper car.
$1,200 a month for a car. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. Now, depending on where you're working, it might just be cheaper to take an Uber. You can sit back, relax, enjoy your coffee while you're getting chauffeured to work.
Try to find you something that you can kind of build some sort of comparable history, some good payment history on your credit. And then in 6 months, a year, keep it, something reliable, cheap on insurance, cheaper payments, or refinance, or get a better car. That's what I say we do. Because right now, like I said, you're looking at a 28% interest rate. And listen, you're in the Bronx. I know some dealership there will get you into whatever car you want with $1,000 down, but I'm just being real with you. It's going to be very short-sighted and short-term. I have some cheaper cars. Let me run those, like that other 2014. Let me run it, see what I can get you done. And the max you have down is $2,000 or $1,000.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Let's do it 1,000 because I'm trying to. The reason why I really need the car so bad is because I'm trying to get to work. It's really far from the city.
Where's your work at?
Yeah, so it's kind of upstate. So I need something. So I can't get the extra hours to work.
Okay.
Yeah. I need something.
Sure. So then let's find something also economical on gas. You don't want to have a V8 or I'm here to sell cars. I'm here to make money. But also I just want to make sure that you have a good experience and you have something that you made a good decision on. That way you can kind of feel better about your purchase and not feel stuck in 6 months. You're paying $1,000 a month and your car broke down or you can't afford it because.
Okay.
All right. So let me get you into a cheaper car. The numbers ran. I'm gonna resubmit it through the bank. Some options on what I can get you and let's see what I can get you into. All right.
I have no idea, but I'm going to guess that this guy did find another dealer to get that Mercedes. I mean, come on. You need a car for work and you're trying to finance a Mercedes with $1,000 down? I hope I'm wrong, but I really doubt it. A mistake like this will hopefully teach him a lesson. Let's get into the next one.
520 credit score.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? This is Yusuf from Auto Cafe, the car dealer.
Hi, how are you? I'm sorry. I was like...
Calling on your 2021 Honda Civic that has 63,000 miles.
Yeah, it has about 63K.
What you got for me?
So I do want to sell the car because I do want to lease a Mazda. So I'm just trying to figure out like what should I do because right now it's in the body shop. I got into an accident about 2 weeks ago. Someone rear-ended me. Mm-hmm. And the car is not going to be ready till like July 15th.
Okay.
Now, if someone rear ends my car and it's still going to be safe to drive after the repair, I'm definitely not selling it. With an accident on the report, it's going to be a considerable loss, so it just makes more sense to keep it. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments.
Are they going to total loss it or they're fixing it?
No, they're fixing it.
Okay. You have to wait till the car gets fixed to trade it in. Obviously, there's going to be an accident on the report, so that will affect the value of the car. What's your credit score right now?
520.
520 credit score?
Yeah.
520 credit score. That takes a lot to drive down your score that low and really says you can't afford it. Work on paying your bills, bringing that score up. Just save up and pay for a car cash. Something reasonably priced.
Okay. And I'm assuming you're going to have a co-signer to lease the car because you won't be able to get a lease with a 520 credit score.
Yeah, no, my mom, I'm planning on having my mom be my co-signer.
Okay. So if your mom's going to be the co-signer, do you know her credit score?
620 or 650, around there.
Okay. I mean, that's definitely borderline approval for a lease, but 620, 650 on leases, you have something called a money factor, which is similar to an interest rate, and it might still be expensive. You'd have to have some of a strong credit profile to get a cheaper payment. Why do you want to sell the Honda? I mean, if it's going to get fixed and whatnot, why not keep it?
I think her mother having a bad credit score says a lot. People just aren't being taught how credit works and the importance of paying your bills on time. Not just that, but keeping your credit utilization in that 10 to 30% range.
Because after the accident, it was a very, very minor accident. Like, it was just like a little bump. But even that little bump turned out to be like this whole thing. So
do you own the Honda Civic outright, or you're making payments on it?
I'm still making payments on it. I owe about $15,000 on it.
$15,000, and how much is your monthly payment?
$370.
I'm not gonna lie. I definitely would just suggest staying in that, even though you want a bigger car. I know you're scared because of what happened, but if you get into a lease, you're gonna be paying at least double, if not triple that, plus insurance.
I absolutely want a bigger vehicle, but I'm not willing to take on payments for that comfort. It's just not worth it. Instead, the money I save from no payments is being saved. And down the road, if a good deal comes up where I can pay for it cash, I'll consider it.
So
Yeah, my insurance is high too, actually. I don't know why it's high, but it's so high right now.
how much is
I'm
your
paying
insurance right
about
now?
$400.
Yeah. So now double your payment on your car. Let's say you get at least $700 plus $400. You're at $1,100 a month rather than just paying the $300. And like, are you looking for advice? I'm giving you advice. Stick with the Honda until your credit gets better.
Give me the advice. Yeah. So how long would you say I should keep the Honda for, like another year or two?
Why is your credit so low? What's going on? Is there credit card debt? Is there missed payments? Are you late on the payments on your Honda? Tell me what's going on with your credit.
No, it's not the Honda. I have student loans on it, and my credit just dropped because I have about, I think, $20K on there.
How much do you make a month right now?
I say $2,400.
$2,400 a month. Okay. Interest goes on the front end, right? So all the interest will be added on the front.
$2,400 a month in income with around $20,000 in student debt, $400 for insurance, around $350 for the Honda payment. This girl's already broke. How does she even think she can afford to change cars? She can't even afford the one she has.
You'll never pay the principal, right? So if you're making the minimum payment, most of it's paying towards interest, and you never actually eat the balance. Did you graduate college?
No, not yet.
Okay. How long do you have left until you graduate?
I graduate in the spring, so in next May.
The only way for you to get your credit up is to keep making on-time payments on the Honda. In a year, if you make good, consistent payments,
Okay, all right. I mean, that doesn't sound too bad, right?
and you're only making $2,400 a month, and if you've got a lease, you'll be paying $1,200 a month, $1,100 a month, which is half your income. So you wouldn't enjoy life, right? You'd just be working to pay your bills.
No, that honestly, that makes a lot of sense. I'm glad you told me that.
Sure. So yeah, listen,
I
stay the
really
course.
appreciate it. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You
Bye-bye.
too.
Let's just hope she doesn't find someone to sell her a car. What's crazy is that her own mother is willing to co-sign. Her mother should be telling her she can't afford it, to stick with the Honda. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.